We use chopsticks that we can use again,
Okay.
because that way we save the forest. I'll get you a bowl. Now, let's have this. This is okay.
Okay.
Maybe a little bit much water in this. But it doesn't matter, you can still drink. You can still drink.
Drink.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay?
Yeah, it is.
Yes. Yeah. Suck the meat off the shell and throw it away. It's beautiful. It took us less than 5 minutes,
Yeah.
less than 2 minutes. To finish that off. And this has some salt from the fish, so it's lovely.
Yeah.
A lovely soup. Three eggs, a handful of clams, a little bit of water, and I steamed it for maybe 15 minutes. Delicious. What I've noticed, Chinese are not afraid to use oil.
I'm familiar with that.
No, and I love to use oil.
Yeah, my father loves to use it very much.
I'm just heating the oil before I put the garlic in. I'm not going to have it extremely hot. That's hot enough. Just a few of these peppers, only a very few. Oh, I can smell the garlic, it smells lovely. And now the garlic is getting a little bit, it's sticking to the bottom. So I'll pour in eggplant. Maybe I've got too much eggplant, I do that. The eggplant will absorb the oil. Any amount of oil. Yep. I don't mind oil, so it's okay. trying to get all of the eggplant to be brown a little bit, to get a little bit burnt.
Yeah.
Can you get the shot here? You can see that there's not so much oil now.
Yeah.
The eggplant soaks, drinks the oil. The eggplant, it absorbs the oil. Now, the eggplant is getting cooked a little bit.
Yeah.
Because it's beginning to go a little bit see-through. Just a little bit. A little bit clear. My friends can leave this sit and not, my friends can leave this and not turn.
Oh, yeah.
I can't. It will burn.
Chinese Kung Fu.
So I will always turn it. It will cook a little bit more slowly. Chinese, another thing, they're not afraid to use salt.
How many times?
I don't know how long I will do this for, until it's cooked, until it's soft. I'm going to do it until it's soft. It's becoming quite soft now. The garlic is becoming a little bit brown. I don't mind that, that's okay. Turn it down a little bit. Yeah.
Okay. You remember too many oils.
No, it's okay. That's now water. Well, now,
Yeah.
I went to a restaurant last night. They had much more oil than this. much more oil. It's still cooking now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I will serve that. Can you come a little light? Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be okay.
Oh, yeah.
That's good. That'll be okay.